Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Path. This is Dr. B. Meena, Associate Professor, Head Department of Commerce and Vice Principal Shift 1 from Petition College of Arts and Science, Area, Chennai. In this video, you are going to learn one more problem on the computation of Mishna rate. Click the I button to watch my previous videos about the explanation on the format of calculating Mishna rate and the working notes that you are seeing in this slide. Let me check one more problem. Compute the Mishna rate from the following data. Cost of the machine is 1 lakh rupee. Installation charge is 10,000 rupees. The scrap value after expiry life 15 years is 5,000. And then this three information we can make use to calculate the depreciation per hour and the rent and rates, general lighting, insurance premium, repairs and maintenance, power consumption, estimated working hours. And this information only I am searching this problem because we need to complete the working notes of the depreciation per hour. So the estimated working hours per annum is given 2,200 hours per annum. This includes setting up time of 200 hours. So what is the effective working hours per annum? I can say 2000 hours. So 2000 hours, how I got it? 2200 is the estimated working hours without considering the setting up time. But we need to consider the setting up time, 200 hours. Then what is the effectively running hours means 2000 hours only. First we'll complete the working notes. Effective running hour of a machine is per annum is 2200 minus 200 hours, 2000 hours. Depreciation per hour is cost of the machine is 1 lakh. Installation charges were given 10,000 minus scrap value 5,000 divided by 15 years because the machine run for how many years? 15 years, right? So 15 years into 2000 hours. So after simplifying the calculations, we will get the answer 3.5. So this is the working notes. Then as usual, we will put the format on how to calculate the machine rate. The first heading is standing charges and the second heading is machine expenses. Under machine expenses, we will finish the machine expenses explanation. Depreciation, whatever depreciation I calculated 3.5, I will write over here 3.5. Then I'll move on to the repairs, which is given. The repairs is given, isn't it? uh, Wait, the repairs is 1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees for per annum. So how to calculate 1000 divided by 2000 hours, because 1000 rupees is the repairs which is given for 1 year, and 1 year effective running hours already we calculated is 2000 hours. So 1000 divided by 2000, I'll get 0.5. Then I'll move on to the power. So power, we have the information is 10 units they are consuming for per hour, and each year that is for 100 units the cost is 20 rupees. So you have an understanding, for 100 units the cost is 20 means what is for 10 units, because that 10 units only they are making use for 1 hour. So 100 units is equal to 20 rupees means next line 10 units is equal to what? So if you are doing this calculation, the cross multiplication will get you 10 into 20 divided by 100, you will get the answer 2 rupees. So these are all the calculations for machine expenses, depreciation, repairs, maintenance and power. Let me go to the standing charges one by one. So what are the standing charges in this problem? We'll start from the rent and rates for the shop per month. Okay. So the rent and rates for the shop only it is given, not for a machine. So we need to consider the last two information. The machine occupies 1/4 of the total area. So we need to calculate for the machine by using this information 200 into 1 by 4. 200 into 1 by 4. Why I am doing this calculation? Because this 200 is for a shop. I want to convert for a machine alone because the machine occupies only 1/4 of the area, because I need to consider only the expenses pertaining to the machine. So 200 into 1 by 4. That gives me what is the rent and rates per month. Okay, then I have to convert for 1 year into 12, then divided by how many hours? 2000 hours. So that's what I posted here. Just look into that. 200 is for the whole shop. So into 1 by 4, why we are doing this calculation? Because I want to know what is the rent applicable for a machine alone. So into 12, why I'm doing? Because this amount is for a month. I want to convert for per annum. So multiply by 12. So I'll get 600 rupees is the rent applicable only for the machine, and that too for 1 year. Then divided by 2000 hours means I will get the information what is the rent and rates for the machine alone for 1 hour. Are you clear? Then I'll go to the next expenses, insurance premium. No, general, that is next is general lighting. So general lighting for the shop per month is 300. So 300 again into 12. Yeah, first I will do into 1 by 4 into 12. Then I'll get 900 rupees is for a machine for per annum divided by 2000. Then I'll get 0.45. Same thing what I explained for rent. Lighting for the whole shop. So 300 into 1 by 4 and into 12. Why I'm into 12? Because I want to convert for 1 year. So 900 was the final answer after doing this calculation. 900 divided by 2000, I'll get 0.45. Next, I'll move on to the next expenses. As for this problem is what is that? Insurance premium per annum. So 960 divided by 2000. Straight away I'll do because it's given already for a per annum. So 960 divided by 2000.48. Then, sorry, then I'll move on to the next expenses. What is that? Insurance premium is over. Then shop supervisor salary. Shop supervisor salary is for a month is given. Okay. So 600 into, and but the supervisor devotes only 1/5 of his time. So 600 into 1 by 5 first I will do because I want to calculate the salary applicable only for the machine. Into 12 I will do because I want to convert for monthly supervisor salary into per annum. So 1440 is the supervisor salary applicable for the machine for 1 year. So divided by 2000 hours. So 0.72. So these are the calculation to be made under standing charges. Already I gave the explanation what are the expenses and the machine expenses. Add all these amounts, then you will get machinery rate is 7.95. So this is the way how you can compute the machinery rate. First of all, look at the expenses. Is it come under machine expenses or come under fixed charges? So only three expenses will come: depreciation, repairs and maintenance, and power alone will come under machine expenses. Apart from this expenses, any other expense will be posted under what is that? Standing charges or fixed charges. And the formula to calculate the depreciation per hour is cost of the machine plus installation charges minus scrap value divided by estimated life of the machine. And all the calculation to be converted for 1 hour. Then this is the calculation on how to make the computation of the machinery rate. Thanks for watching. See you again next video. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.